Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I want to discuss with you how to use live updates on Android 16. Live updates are new notification type on Android 16 that keeps ongoing, time-sensitive activities visible in real time. Those are typically used for applications that use, for example, navigation, some food delivery, as well as timers. So let's first of all open settings and let's select section with applications. And now let's go to Maps application and let's go to notifications. So here you will see live updates, and please you want to turn it on. So now let me show you how you can use that. Let's open Maps. And let's suppose that I want to go somewhere and I want to see those live updates. So I will drop some kind of destination and I will go to directions and I will start the navigation. So now if I lock my screen, I will see this live update on my lock screen. Additionally, at the top of your screen, when you are at your home page, at the top you will see compact status bar chip. Here it is. That shows some short live updates. For example, my application tells me that I need to go straight, and that means that here will be this arrow. The same way will be for for example, Uber application. When you order food, you will see some updates, for example, driver arriving or something like that. Additionally, if I go to my lock screen, let me lock my phone. If I tap on this live update, I can unlock my phone and it will redirect me. It should redirect me to my application. So that is basically how you can use live updates on Android 16, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.